Welcome back, editors. Today, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a reverse edit in Capcut, just like in After Effects. Many people think this isn't possible in Capcut, but let me tell you, it actually is possible. In this tutorial, I'll explain everything from the basics, and I'll also demonstrate it myself and show you the final result, so you won't have any doubts in your mind. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, leave a comment telling me what tutorial you'd like next. And if you have any questions related to this tutorial, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll try my best to answer as many questions as possible. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. The quality has only been enhanced using After Effects. Add your twister clip and add your music. Go to aspect ratio and select 1:1 ratio. Enlarge all the clips and place them in the center. Add a keyframe at the start and another keyframe at the end. Then zoom in. Use the cubic outgraph. Duplicate the clip. Go to speed arrow curve. Set the first point to normal and the second point to 3.6 times. Use the cubic in graph. Then reverse the clip. Go to speed arrow curve again and delete all points except 2. Set the first point to 2.6 times. Add a keyframe at the start and another keyframe at the end. Then zoom in. Use the cubic outgraph. Duplicate the clip again. Go to speed arrow curve. Set the first point to normal and the second point to 3.6x. Then reverse the clip. Apply these steps to all clips. Export the clip. Check the reverse part without shake. Go to Effects and select Oblique Blur. Adjust it to 100%, 30%, and 0%. Duplicate the clip 2 times. Go to Effects and select Shake. Adjust it to 20%, 30%, and 0%. Go to Effects and select Wide Angle. Keep its duration the same as the first part. Adjust 100% and 0%. Duplicate it. Use the cubic outgraph. Adjust it to 0%. Use the cubic in graph. Adjust it from 0% to 100%. Apply this effect to all clips. Adjust it the same way I am doing. Finally, export the video. The quality has only been enhanced using After Effects.